Hello students, welcome to your video. I am Jitendra Tyagi and I am here to discuss about the pattern and analysis of the quantitative aptitude section of this Coal India Limited recruitment for management trainee post. Okay, we all know that there are different vacancies in different departments of Coal India Limited for the post of management trainees, and students are preparing for this exam very seriously. So in this video we will discuss about what are the important topics from where they generally ask questions in this exam. Okay. So in quantitative aptitude section there will be 25 questions, because in previous years they have asked 25 questions, right? Now what are the topics which we have to prepare for this aptitude section to solve all the 25 questions of this section? Okay, so that I am going to discuss with you here. We have taken the reference of the previous year 2 papers. So in this list, in this table, we have topics and number of questions in one paper and number of questions in another paper. Okay, so 1 year and another year papers we have taken. So time and work, this is the most important topic of aptitude section. For every exam in non-technical part you have to prepare time and work. Okay, so there were 2 questions in both the exams. Okay, so this year also you may expect 2 questions from time and work itself. Okay, and then percentage is also very important. So 2 questions from percentage average. So 2 questions, 1 question. Okay, so 100% chance are there for questions being asked from the topic average. Then algebraic identities, different formulas, different identities. So algebraic identities is also important. There were 4 questions in one paper, 2 questions in one paper. Okay, and then mixture and alligation is also important. Time, speed, distance, in which we also include problems on boats, problems on trains, average speed, everything. Okay, so in one paper there were 2 questions, in another paper there were 3 questions. Then profit, loss and discount is also important. So in one paper there were 2 questions, one paper there was no question. Okay, then shares. Okay, and then sequences and series, 1 question, 2 question. In sequences and series mainly they ask questions from arithmetic progression generally. Okay, so this is also important. You should know all the basic formulas of AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, then number system. So in one paper there were 4 questions from the number system, and this number system include many basic properties, divisibility rules. Okay, and SCF, LCM, all these things are covered in number system. Then we have simple interest, compound interest, installment, 2 questions, 3 questions. Then height and distance in application of trigonometry. So there were 2 questions in 1 year and no question in 1 year. Okay, so surds, problems on surds, 1 question was there. So chance are there from the surds also. Then we have pipes and cisterns. So no question, 1 question. Okay, so these pipes and cisterns questions are related to time and work in some way. So these are the important topics which we have to prepare, and there may be question from any other topic also, but these you have to prepare at the priority. Okay, ये टॉपिक तो प्रायोरिटी पे आपको प्रिपेयर करने हैं. इनके अलावा कोई बेसिक क्वेश्चन, मिक्स क्वेश्चन, डिफरेंट टॉपिक से ज़्यादा कम कुछ भी हो सकता है, ठीक है ना, बट रफली आपको ये इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स को सीरियसली प्रिपेयर करके रखना है. यहाँ से सबसे ज़्यादा चांस है आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाने के. ओके, अगर कोई और टॉपिक है जिसको हमने इंक्लूड नहीं किया है उसको भी आप प्रिपेयर करोगे, जो भी एप्टीट्यूड के सेक्शन में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, बट दीज एट द प्रायोरिटी. ओके, और इसके अलावा जो बाकी क्वेश्चंस अगर वो पूछ सकते हैं, जैसे बेसिक ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम, जो हमारा कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री है उसके बेसिक क्वेश्चन वहाँ से भी आ सकते हैं, ठीक है. और उसके अलावा टिग्नोमेट्री से क्वेश्चन आने के चांस बहुत कम है, बट 10th लेवल का टिग्नोमेट्री के बेसिक फॉर्मूलेज हमें हमेशा याद रखने चाहिए, ठीक है, अगर वो क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं आप कर पाओ. पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन, ठीक है, पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन का क्वेश्चन भी बन सकता है, सिंपल, ठीक है, टाइप ऑफ सॉल्यूशन या कोई सॉल्यूशन के बारे में क्वेश्चन बन जाए. सो दैट आल्सो यू कैन प्रिपेयर, बट प्रिपेयर दीज टॉपिक्स एट द प्रायोरिटी. ओके, तो आपको सभी को एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन को सीरियसली लेना है, क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. इजी है, एक बार कंसेप्ट आपने समझा, कुछ क्वेश्चंस के सोल्व कर लिए, ठीक है ना, इजीली आप एग्जाम में भी सोल्व कर पाओगे. ओके, सो जो भी बच्चे एनरोल्ड हैं यूरोपीडिया के मॉड्यूल में उन सबको ये प्रिपेयर करना है, और जो मॉड्यूल में एनरोल नहीं है उन सबको भी इस स्ट्रेटजी के हिसाब से अपनी प्लानिंग करनी है. Okay, all the best.